Good morning, guys. Today we decided to sleep in a little bit, and it is now 7:54. We are about to go check out of the hotel and spend a couple hours at Disneyland. We may go to the beach, we may not. Basically depends on me, I guess. But we are all packed up. Kevin is pulling around the car, so it's easier to load it up. But yeah, we are all packed and ready to go. Just wanted to show you guys. Luckily I double checked the room because Kevin left a phone cord in here. All packed up and ready to go. Kevin went to go check out. We're leaving right now. We'll talk to you guys soon. Nice parking spot. I don't even know if we can tell where we are, but there's the bus right there. And there's the car. This is our last time entering the park until October. But we just got here. We're about to go through security.
Alright, so we're gonna get in line for Matterhorn. Oh, the water. Alright, we're about to make it into DCA. Wish us luck. Alexis is running now to go get us fast passes. I'll catch up. So we're getting fast passes for the new tower.
Welcome to Disney California Adventure. For your enjoyment, the park will be opening at 9 a.m. Thank you, and we hope you enjoy your day with us here at the Disneyland Resort.
What time is it for? 11:35, 12:35. We've changed the Cars Land sign.
And away you go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It is filming. Okay, good. We are on our way back to Disneyland. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm gonna miss that ride so much. We don't come back here until October. Talk to you guys soon.
Yeah, the camera really close. Place is pretty busy looking now. What the? Yo, it's what's up, Wardy? Oh dang, we get the back. Oh wait, hold on.
What is?
The GoPro.
Hello.
If ye be brave or fool enough to face a pirate's curse, proceed.
We'll anchor now, ye swabbies. What be I offered for this winsome wench? Stout-hearted and corn-lipped.
So I don't know if we're stuck or what's going on, but
we've been on firing from the same spot for at least 5 minutes.
First time.
11:10. So we are having lunch now. Stage Door Cafe. This time we got an order of mozzarella sticks too. Have you been using my fries and feeder this whole time? I feel bad. I got a group cup.
Alright, thank you. Thank you. I like his glasses.
You what?
I like his glasses.
And presto, the doors open for you.
My friends, you're one step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy.
What? Of course I escaped. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket. This plan won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance and the chaos begins.
Yes, I swear we have.
So we're in line for Tower, and it's broke again.
Again, except we haven't even made it on the ride this time.
So we're all just sitting down, relaxing.
I did say there's gonna be 4 cycles, 3 and then 4, and then you're not start moving. I was wrong. It's gonna be a 5th cycle. It did shut down on it. They're riding now, then these guys, then you, then you're not start.
Now show me those hands, people! Clearance, let's roll! Okay.
Like bottle opener. Well, we're taking off. I know, but I also got a Pez dispenser. I'll have to show you guys later. Alright, well, final goodbye to DCA and Disneyland. We'll be back in a few months, bitches.
I'll miss you.
Okay, the bus to go back to the car.
Bye.
We're out of here.
No, a tart.
Goodbye, Disneyland. Alright, well, we're somewhere over here. I know we're close. And there she is, all dirty and nice.
We are exiting the parking lot. And I'm drinking out of my group cup.
Yo, we're gonna pass this fucking...
So a third fire truck just pulled up. It's right where my finger is.
God.
Here's the fire truck and the police department.
The field caught fire.
Oh my god.
Holy
the field caught
shit.
fire. How?
Probably a cigarette.
There's a huge...
Look right there. Holy shit, it's right there. Look at that.
Holy... We love you, California!
We're back at the heat.
Come on! Oh, I know! Oh, I missed you too!
Hi.
Oh, yes, I know!
We're back from our long journey.
It's a leash! Oh! Why does she want to eat it so bad?
Try it.
Hi, beautiful!
Let me see.
Right, look! Come here! Come show the camera! Do you like your new leash?